Hello guys, this is Technomax9 tutorial and you're here with me, Maureen Ralte. Today I'm going to teach you how to design this graphics and also how to animate it in PowerPoint. Let me show you the animation. There you go guys. There will be a PPT for download in the description below for free, and please comment whether you like this video or not on the comments below. Please do not hesitate it. So let's start off with the tutorial. First of all, I have already created this blank slide, and before that I forgot to create some color palettes for this, so let me just create it. First let me create the color palettes quick as possible. Alright, now that we have the color palettes, let's start with the tutorial. Right click, format background, and from here choose this color and go to insert, go to shapes and round and rectangle, and draw a rectangle like this out here, and right click and send to back, and shape outline, no outline, shape fill, eyedropper to this color. So now we have to download some icons and pictures from Freepik. I have kept the link below, you can download from there. So this is the image that I have used from Freepik, and this is the icons that I have used from Freepik. You can just click on the link below and download them for free. So I have already downloaded. So here is the image that I want. So I'm gonna drag this to my file and keep it here. So once I've done that, I'm gonna hold shift key on my keyboard and make it small. Once I've done that, I'm gonna rotate this to rotate right 90 degrees, and I'm gonna place it right at the corner over here. Once I've done that, go to insert, go to shapes, rectangles, and draw a rectangle like this, and insert, shapes, rectangle, and draw another rectangle like this. Select both of them, shape outline to no outline, and merge shapes to union, and shape fill to this yellow color. Then go to insert, go to shapes, rectangle, and from here draw a rectangle like this, and shape outline, no outline, shape fill to yellow. Select this and duplicate it and rotate horizontal 90 left degree, so I mean 90 degree left. So once you've done that, go to insert, go to text box and type here dot select all of them, I mean select the text, change the text color to white, dot vegetable. So you can change the font to Verdana. I'm gonna use the font Verdana out here. Yeah, and can place it right up here. So now once you've done that, go to the downloaded icon, open it. You have to open it with Illustrator, so Illustrator is required. So I'm gonna choose this icon. So first you have to do is ungroup and select this particular icon, change the color to white, and then press Ctrl C and go to your file and paste it here. Place it here, and the next icon you need is this one. Change the color to white, press Ctrl C and Ctrl V to paste it out here. Now go back, select this, ungroup it. Now select this particular cup of coffee, change the color to white, Ctrl C, and then paste it here. And lastly, we need this bag, so ungroup it, select this, change the color to white, and then press Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste it and place it right here. So once you've done that, go to insert again. Once you've done that, go to insert, text box, and with the same font Verdana, type healthy meat. Change the font color to white, make it bold, resize it to let's say 32. Keep it here and select all of them and go here and make it very loose. Now once you've done that, go to insert again, go to text box, and we'll type here some random stuffs. Change the font to Verdana, text to white, and make this okay. We'll type some random stuff. Some people have curly brown hair, turns permanently black. So you change the font color to white, copy this. I'm gonna paste some more of this text like that, and select this whole text and justify it. Once you've done that, just copy this one, put it here, and delete some of it and just make a paragraph or something like that, so that it will look like you've typed something. Okay, now once you've done that, go to insert again, text box, and here write 45 percent, and change the font color to white. I'm not sure which font I use here. Let me just check it. It's Algerian. So go here, choose the text font color, font type Algerian, and font size to 40. Now that was pretty easy. We've done the graphic design. Now we'll head for the animation. Close format background, select this, go to animations, and press appear, open animation paint, and from here just say after previous, fade in. Yeah, we'll use fade in instead of appear. So once we've done that, we'll select the image, and from here zoom, should be after previous, and select this one. It should be wipe, and it should be from top, and it should be after previous, and select this one. Wipe, this should be from left, and this should be after previous. Now select this text, this should be zoom and should be after previous. Now select this healthy meat and split effect should be vertical out, and it should be after previous. Now select this icon and zoom, and this should be after previous. Now I'm just gonna select this and use animation painter like this, animation painter like this, animation painter like this, and I'm gonna select this text, and I'm gonna use wipe, and effect should be from top and after previous. I'm gonna select this, use animation painter, and put it out here. Now let's see the animation. There you go. This was a pretty easy tutorial. I hope you like it. Please hit on the subscribe button and also like my videos. Thank you so much.